Hello, welcome back to another video. So today I will be doing the ReVair review. This is a lengthy review, so I hope you take the time to watch it through, because I will also be demonstrating and using it on my hair, and also be discussing the pros and cons, what I like about it, how much it cost, and also if I'll be using it as and definitely this is an investment. So I will be talking in depth about this product. I am so excited to share my experience in reviewing this product. Alright, so this is the wand holder, and this is where I will have to put it to hold. I'm believing like that. So it is quite heavy. This particular ReVair was purchased with my own hard earned. It's a set that I bought. It comes with there's a spray bottle. Sorry guys, I thought I showed it. There's a spray bottle, and then it comes with the clips as well, which I think is neat. So when I section my hair, I can, get a good blowout. I'm wondering what this is. I believe it's a bag. It's actually a towel, the towel wrap, which that's nice. That's really neat. And they got their ReVair, their brand name right there. So I think this is neat. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out on my hair. The only thing is, I don't usually blow dry my hair on a regular basis. So what I mean by that is I blow dry my hair, but it could be maybe once in 3 months. And what I was using was a handheld blow dryer, which was the Revlon one. Also, just before we get into the video, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Yui. If you like what you see, and also give this video a thumbs up and share it. Thank you very much. All right, now, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some water, because my hair is quite dry right now. There is no product in my hair. I had a conditioner, and that's why the white stuff is there. The type of conditioner that I used left that residue. It's plugged in right now, so when you lift it up, this is what it looks like. And I'm glad that the extended cord is fairly long enough, and because it comes with a filter, so I just detached it, and I'm just gonna show you guys right now how you can put it back. So it goes like this, and is in like this, and then you lock it in like that. So that is it, and it's, according to some of the review, it is wise to not only the review, I also read the instruction. It is wise to clean the filter every use of the ReVair, so that it'll be more effective. That's what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna rest this on the wand. So I'm just spraying my hair a little bit because it's a bit dry, and I'm not damping it, just to have it a little bit, I'm not wetting it, sorry, just to have it a little bit damp. And then I will section I will put a smaller section, and I will start from the back. To try this product, I actually waited like a year or two, because I'm always skeptical to try new product. So if this is it, this will be really useful, because I don't mind blow drying my hair as long as I do it safely. And my hair is quite is due for some trims. I am gonna quickly try to detangle. I believe that's the on button. I don't know. I turned it on anyways, and then this is interesting. So I'm gonna hold it like this and I figured it out. Now I'm gonna turn it on and let's see. Sensation, like it's not hot or anything. It's on 2. Okay, so this is my hair. That's what it looks like. I'm not sure if I did it right or not, but I'm gonna top up the instead of 2, I'm gonna just put it at 3, and then I'm gonna move forward from there. So, okay, so it's not bad. Like I can run my fingers through. It's not, you know. But I'm gonna go ahead and do this side and then come back.
It's been 3 days, stalking his Instagram. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you.
More heat on the side so you guys can see. I'm just gonna stand up. I think it's pretty efficient, like effective. It does what it's meant to do, and that's to stretch the hair. I wouldn't say straighten, especially for the natural hair type like mine. It obviously will give it a bone straight, but it will do something like this depending on the temperature that you put it on. So I had it right now. It does get hot over time, obviously. So I had it at 3 with 2, and then I had it at 3. So, and I just stayed at 3. I didn't move it. I didn't do anything else. I am loving this side of my hair because it's much more smoother to run my fingers through compared to this side where it's more on a cooler side temperature that I used. However, I am still happy with the result that I got. I would say I prefer this to compare to my Revlon handheld brush blow dryer. I like it. It's not still. I think the price range should be maybe around $299, $300. But what do I know? That's just my opinion. Because this cost me an arm and a leg. It cost me about Canadian dollars was $564. That was the initial. This was a gift for myself. I wanted to treat myself for my birthday, and this is what I did to treat myself. Get a new tools to help make my hair care routine more smoother. Also, the other pros that I would say, because I don't want to ramble off, the other pro is that it's super fast. It does take longer, depending on, like, when I say super fast, it's like 1, 2, 3 pass and the hair is already dry. You know, the clips, I like that. It made it super easy for me to go through. The only thing is, if your hair is not detangled prior to this, it's gonna take you longer, which it did take me a little bit longer because I started out on hair that was washed for 2 days. I didn't put any product, just shampoo and conditioner, washed. But unfortunately, the type of conditioner that I left residue on my hair, so that's why there you see, you might have saw some white flaky stuff, but that's just conditioner. And it's pretty good. I like that it comes with a filter and also a holder because it can get heavy when you're holding it and stuff like that. And I find that when I hold it like this towards the like root, I get better results. But I try not to twirl it. I know like I was saying, the cons is that it is heavy. You know, like if you have to like lift it or anything like, and then it's also super loud, so that's 2, and it's pricey. So it's only the 3 reason that but for me, this is an investment. If you don't do your hair, if you don't blow dry your hair or regularly, or you're not used to blow drying your hair, I wouldn't suggest that you should get something like this. But for me, I like, well, in the transition that I am in with my hair growth right now, I like having a more stretch look. It's a good product. I think it's a good product, but these are my opinions based on my experience. This is my first use and I like it so far. Anytime I want to go for a straighten my hair, I would definitely go towards this tool and just use it to make my styling days easier. So with no further ado, I do hope somebody found this video and this review helpful. And once again, this was not a sponsored video. And don't forget to subscribe if you like the video, like it and share it. Thank you so much. I don't know what to do with this now, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. But I'll probably just put it up in a bun, and then I will try to straighten my hair later. We'll see, because I've been having that lazy syndrome lately, but we'll get through it. So edge is coming back in and hair is growing. I just need to trim it and we are good to go. Thank you guys.